Hello friends, welcome to this important lecture. Friends, there are three basic stages of money laundering. First is placement. Now this is the first and initial stage. And during placement, dirty money derived from criminal activities is placed in the financial system. In simple terms, we can say that this is the act of physically taking bulk cash proceeds from illegal sources and then bringing them to the financial institution for deposit or transfer. Friends, this can be done by breaking up large amounts of cash into camouflage smaller amounts that are then deposited directly into a bank account. Or this can also be done through a series of instruments like checks, money orders or wire transfers that are then collected and deposited into fictitious accounts or shell companies at another location. In short, in this stage, the dirty money enters the financial system. Then second stage is layering. Friends, layering is the second stage of money laundering and involves converting the proceeds of crime into another form and thereby creating complex layers of financial transactions to disguise the audit trail and also the source and ownership of the funds. So to do this, the funds can be channeled through the purchase and sales of investment instruments, or the launderer can simply do the wire transfer through a series of accounts at various locations across the globe. So in short, layering conceals the illegal origin of the placed funds and thereby makes them more useful to the criminals. And then last stage is integration. Friends, once the funds are layered and can no longer be traced back to their criminal origins, in the third stage they are integrated into the financial system so that they now appear clean and available for use by the criminals. Then integration places the laundered money back into the economy and financial system in such a way that they appear as clean and legitimate. So the launderer might choose to invest the funds into real estate, luxury assets or build a new business venture. So friends, I will summarize all these stages with the help of this example. First, there is collection of dirty money, which is then placed into financial system. This is basically the first stage of money laundering. Then this money is transferred into bank account of company say X. Now this is nothing but layering. Then friends, this amount is transferred to a offshore company. Then friends, it can give loan to company say Y and makes false invoice payment to company X. And then in final stage, this money is now used to buy luxury assets or used in financial instruments. Lastly friends, please note these three stages are not distinct. They are often overlapping with each other and repeated, thereby making tracing of crime proceeds and their source very difficult.